Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chunrugas Mama's Garik Channel, a faith healer o Zamatoider. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of March 1 hanggang March 7 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey lamang dila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos of the request. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Just Makeup Pal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Pisces. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mahagilap? So guys, eto na tong ngayon at bubulabugin natin angel spirit. Please give me information po. There's the King of Pentacles, being practicality and security pagdating sa finances. So, dapat alam mo sa sarili mong grounds mo, no? Kailangan marunong kang, kumbaga, palakihin or pagyabungin yung mga pinaghirapan mo. There's something at taking action. So, kailangan mo kumilos, gumalaw. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? Representing with the King of Swords, with the stop the pattern. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi magsaserve sa'yo. Naputulin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong makakasira na lahat ng mga plano mo. There's something a wise decision. And there's something the full for a leap of faith. No? Dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, there's something a new beginning coming for you. No? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, maniwala ka sa tamang proseso. No? Marunong kang kumalma. Dapat marunong kang magpasensya. And there's the moon card for a truth reveal. Na may mga bagay na unti-unti na malalantad sa'yo dito. Kung ano man yung mga bagay pangarap, ay maaaring maisakatuparan na. There's something, a new beginning there at the same time. There is something the Ace of Cups. There is something a love offer coming in for you. May bagong pag-ibig or maaaring ibalik ang kilig. Or either there is something a coming back now with a love and intimacy. Ooh, what is additional messages? So this is the Four of Pentacles for saving money. Protect your power, protect your energy. So kailangan marunong kang proteksyonan yung mga bagay na meron ka. See, nakikita kung paano siya proteksyonan. Ganon, no? Budget, no? And wise. And let's see, what is the King of Pentacles? There's a Knight of Swords. There's anxiety, sleepless nights, no? Some of you guys nakakaranas ka ng, kumbaga, hirap sa pagtulog. Dahil that because of this overthinking, no? And being paranoid. So, iwasan mong mag-isip ng kung ano-ano, ha? Marami kang bagay na gustong gawin, pero hindi mo siya naisip ko parang dahil masyado ng maraming bagahe ang utak mo. What is the King of Swords? Represent with the Strength card. So, confident. Diba? Kailangan lakas ang loob mo, lakas ang pakiramdam mo. Na maging matapang ka, kailangan palaban ka. No? So, let's see what is the Fool card. Represent with the Four of Swords by intuitions. No? Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Makinig ka sa inner voice mo at the same time. Kailangan mo ng pahinga. No? Masyado ka ng over-fatigue. What is the Moon card? Represent what? The Moon card represent with the Eight of Pentacles. Just focus. No? Sa pangarap mo, sa ginagawa mo, even your work, kailangan mag-focus ka dyan para matupad mo itong gusto mong mangyari. And the Ace of Cups represent what? The Chariot card. Dahil may parating na bagong pag-ibig, ha, pasabog ka dito. May darating na pag-ibig talaga if you are being single. Now, if you are being separated, maaaring bumalik tong tao na to. There's something in movement. And of course, if you are being married, kumbaga sinasabi na maaaring ibabalik yung intimacy. No? And of course, yung lambingan harutan yung dalawa. What is the Four of Pentacles? Represent with the Ten of Cups, with happiness. So, magiging masaya ka dito. Magiging maligaya ka dito. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung grounds mo. Kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat mong proteksyonan. What is the King of Pentacles and the Knight of Swords? Represent with the Five of Swords. Nagkakaroon sa self-sabotage dito, not because of your actions, no? Not because of this overthinking. Na masyadong ka na-drain dahil dito sa kung ano iniisip mo. What is the King of Swords? Because the Strength card. So, this is the Five of Cups in reverse. It's something no more doubt, no more disappointment. Just accept the fact, no? Tanggapin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong magbibigay sa'yo ng pagbabago. No, there's something a wise and intelligent decision. Ganon. No, kailangan pala bang ka matapang ka, hindi ka dapat nagkakaroon ng alinlangan na gawin to kasi natatakot ka yung mga possibilities or natatakot ka sa magiging outcome. No, may mga taong masasabi against sa'yo. Kumbaga, kailangan, kumbaga, palaban ka. What is the Fool card? Because the Four of Swords, reference with the Justice card. Hustisya. No, justice will be served. No, meron din ako nakita dito, guys, na, kumbaga, there's a legal matter. Usapin na ba sa mga papeles, sa mga lupain, o about dito sa mga negosyo, no? Or there's something annulment, guys. No, meron naman ako na sense dito with an annulment. So ibig sabihin dito maaring or marriage contract, no? May ganung eksena rin daw dito. So may mga bagay diyan na maaring masagot na, maaring matapos na, maaring makuha mo na. What is the Moon card? Because the Eight of Pentacles. Reference with the Hermit card, o spiritual enlightenment. May mga bagay na magliliwanag sa iyo dito. Kaya mag-focus ka na sa ginagawa mo. The more na nagpo-focus ka diyan sa pinagkakabalahan mo, the more na nagsasucess lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari. What is the Ace of Cups, the Chariot card? Reference with the Wheel of Fortune. Turning back to your favor. Ito na, no? Maaring iikot na at maaring pumabor na sa iyong sitwasyon. No? Some of you guys, kumbaga, lagi ka dati nasasaktan. This is the moment na, kumbaga, ikaw naman yung hanap-hanapin, no? Yung mamahalin ka talaga. No? So, let's see. This is something that for the Pentacles because the Ten of Cups. Referenced with the Ace of Wands. So there's something, a new project, new plans, new job, new work, at the same time, a new home. Na may bagong bahay talaga dito. So let's see what is the outcome. Ang daming major arcana. My God. Ilan tong major arcana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the additional messages? So this is the Knight of Cups. Now there's an offer. Now, there's an offer for outcome with a love life, proposal, engagement, promotions, no? And there's something, the Nine of Pentacles with a blossoming abundance. May paglago at may paglakas talaga ng finances dito. Additional messages with the Two of Swords. There is a decision that you need to make. So, kailangan mo mag-decision dito, no? Na kailangan mo pakawalan yung mga negative thoughts. What is additional messages for dating sa finances and career? So this is the Queen of Pentacles being practicality pagdating sa finances. And there's a Magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na manifest. Now there's something of power of God na maaaring kung naman yung mga plano mo ay gusto mong gawin pagdating sa finances mo, na ay maaaring kumbaga magtagumpay. And there's the Four of Cups by re-evaluate or analyze. Basta pag-iisipan mo mabuti, no? Before taking action, guys, kailangan i-evaluate mo, i-analyze mo na maayos, no? And there's something visions, no? Kaya kailangan buksan mo ang isip mo sa magiging new possibilities. So let's see what is additional messages. Pagdating naman tayo sa love life, so let's see, guys. So there's something, the Hangman. Oh, so you're feeling stuck, no? You're feeling imprisonment and isolated. So kailangan mo makawala dito sa hindi maganda sitwasyon pagdating sa love life. No, at the same time, new perspective. Baguhin mo yung pananaw mo dito, even your mindset. And this is something, the Ace of Pentacles. No, there's something na related about sa finances talaga. There's something, a big opportunities. Na itong tao na ito, maaaring makilala mo na ito ng panibagong eksena. There's a new love. No, coming in for you na may pera siyang dala-dala. Ibig sabihin, kumbaga may negosyo siya, may hanap buhay siya. And there's the Page of Wands, by good news. May magandang balita dito, makakawala ka talaga for this toxic relationship. No? What is additional messages? Pagdating naman tayo sa health. There's a Queen of Wands, no? There's something confident. There's a Devil card, no? Kumbaga, meron ditong with the Devil card na parang natatakot ka. There's something, comfort zone, no? Kailangan mong kumawala sa comfort zone mo. There's a Devil with a toxic, no? Let's see, gusto ko i-clarify. There's a Five of Pentacles for recovery. Ibig sabihin dito, may gumawa sa iyo ng hindi maganda, no? But nakaka-recover ka na, no? Dahil lalaman mo na, nagpatingin ka pala, okay, thank you. Nagpatingin ka at nagpagamot ka at naging maganda na ang kalusugan mo. Kung maglaga ka lang, may bulaklak ka na kailangan ilaga na makakatulong for your health issues na naapektuhan at na-damage, no, ng gawa ng tao. So let's see what is additional messages tayo with the synchronicities. Represent what? Let's see what is additional messages with the synchronicities. There's a beauty, no? Gandang-ganda ka dito or maganda yung person mo, no? Or may taong naiinggit sa'yo. And there's a dreamer. So see, magiging maganda talaga ang kinabukasan at pangarap mo. Matutupad mo to. And there's a something resilience. Resilient, it means, kumbaga, magtiyaga ka, no? Walang pinagkaiba for perseverance. No? There's something na kailangan mong kumbaga habaan ng pasensya, maging kalmado, and there's a spiritual guidance. So kailangan talaga ng albularyo na tutulong sa iyo, no, para makawala sa hindi maganda situation. So matanggal yung mga blockages, ganito ganyan, diba? So let's see what is the magical fairy messages. Represent what? For magical fairy messages, there's something a new home. May bagong bahay talaga. I told you, there's something moving is a step in the right direction for you. And this is something pregnancy. Some of you guys, meron dito magbubutis or there's something a new blessing coming in for you. Meron dito guys, nagkaroon ng mayoma. Thank you, Angel Spirit, no? Kumbaga, mag-ingat po kayo, no? Sa mga there's something na gawa ng tao. Huwag ka magpapa-opera, basta-basta. No? Kung magagamot ng herbal, gawin mo. Thank you, Angel Spirit, represent what? Kasi na malaking chan. Thank you. Additional messages? With a yin and yang oracle card. Represent with a self-care. No, kailangan alagaan mo yung sarili mo. No, and this is something as comfort zone. I told you, this is something a comfort zone. Diba? Kailangan mo na makawala sa comfort zone mo. And this is something, feminine. Sabi ko na nga ba, may babae talaga dito sa Kiranda. Na may gumagawa talaga ng hindi maganda. Inggit. So let's see what is the romance angels for a Mystic Love Oracle deck. For Mystic Love Oracle deck, represent with a cheating. Now, meron dito nagsinungaling ng loko. Now, there's a broken trust. And this is something a healing releasing, no? Unti-unti nang gumagaling, no? Sa yung mga karamdaman. And this is something, or even emotions. And there's a fear, kailangan mo lalabanan ng takot at pangamba mo. No, wag ka mag-stick sa isang situation or sa isang relationship. Mamaya, etong tao na to is a very toxic, no? Nasa isang karmic relationship kayo dyan sa napuno ng complication. No, there's a soul conflict. So, let's see what is the gratitudes. Now, there's something, kumbaga, just being thankful sa lahat na nangyayari sa'yo. There's a blessing in this, guys, na nangyayari to, kaya kailangan mag-pay attention. And there's something changes, na unti-unti nang gumabago lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. What is additional messages for Archangel Michael messages? It's time to leave the unhealthy situation. I told you so. Na kailangan mo talaga makawala sa hindi maganda situation. And there's something, a prayer will help you from this situation. No? Yung pagdarasal daw makakaalis ka, kumbaga makakatulong sa'yo para makalayas ka dyan sa hindi maganda situation. And this is something lean on God and angels for. See? Nandito ang ating Panginoon, sinusuport, ginagabayan kayo. Now, even your angel spirit guides. What is the angel's answer? Represent what? What is the angel's answer? Represent forgiveness, no? May hihingi ng tawad. No, patawarin mo the way para sa sarili mo, hindi para sa kanila. And there's a get more information. Marami kang bagay na dapat pang makuha ng impormasyon. No, and there's a communicate clearly, no? Even sa communication, kailangan mo makipag-communicate na maayos. What is the chakra messages? What is the chakra messages represent? With a recovery, I told you, there is something, a recovery, no? Lies ahead. Talagang binibigyan ka ng, maaaring makarecover ka na soon. And this is something forgiveness, double clarification. Na meron talagang hihingi ng tao dito, lalapit to sa'yo, no? And there's something abundance, no? May kasaganahan talaga na naghihintay para sa'yo. Let's see what is additional messages with the romance angels represent what? And there's a heart-to-heart conversation. Meron talaga dito mag-uusap, no? Na talagang masinsinan. And there's a true love. Talagang there's something, a romance for a lifetime. Diba? Meron ka talaga dito pang matagalang pag-ibig. Na talaga siya makakasama mo for long run. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And this is something, gardening, no? Planting. So, ibig sabihin dito, magtanim ka ng mga bagay na alam mo makakatulong sa'yo. Or parang tinatawag dito na parang, kapag may sinuksok ka, may uhugutin ka, ganon. Kaya kailangan mo mag-save. And there's something astral travel, na meron ka ditong kakayanan, no? Para makita yung magiging possibilities. Ganon. There's a dream time soul travel. Kaya mong makapunta sa isang sitwasyon gamit ang panaginip. And there's something fire opal with a confident. Lakas naman loob mo. Maging matapang ka, mag-meditate ka. And there's something winning moon with its self-inventory. Na mas malawakin mo yung sarili mo dito. Kakayanan, kaalaman, at kung paano mo pagyayabungin ng kaisipan mo. What is additional messages for Archangel Raphael? There's an improving health. No, mag-improve din ang health mo. There's use your natural healing abilities, no? Use your natural healing abilities the way na parang kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables. At the same time, ng mga herbs. What is additional messages with an angel spirit guides? And there's activated earth, power places, no? May mga bagay talaga na ibibigay at ilalagay ka talaga kung saan dapat talaga nakalagay or kung saan ka talaga dapat para doon ka talaga na parang kumbaga kapag para sa'yo and there's a star baiting with activation with light body. So, kailangan mo siguro dito guys, yung magpapaaraw ka, no? Kumbaga, or kailangan mo mag-meditate din at the same time. What is additional messages? What is additional messages? There's a sensitivity. So, kailangan maging sensitive ka guys, no, sa lahat ng nangyayari. Yung pala, nasa paligid mo lang pala talaga ang talagang gumagawa ng eksena sa'yo, yung inggitera. And there's an energy healing. So, kailangan mo ng healing session. What is the energy represent what? And there's an indecision. May mga bagay na hindi ka pa makapag-decision, and there's a community. Na parang pabago-bago yung utak mo dito kung kumbaga aalis ka, babalik ka, aalis ka, babalik ka. May ganun. Or some of you guys cross-watcher out there, baka ito ka. What is the Moonology represent what? The answer you need is coming, no? Lahat ng mga kasagutan mo ay maaaring dumating na, paparating na, and communication is the key. So, kailangan talaga ng komunikasyon para masolusyonan, matapos tong lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa kasalukuyan. For Jesus loving quote said, represent what? What is the Jesus loving quote said? Represent ask and shall be given to you. So see, kung hindi ka lalapit at hindi ka hihingi ng gabay sa ating angel spirit, hindi niya ibibigay yung mga bagay na karapat-dapat para sa iyo. Hinihintay ka lang niya lumapit, no? Magdasal at humingi ng gabay at tawad. What is an angel's number? Represent what? So baka, sa madaling salita, nakakalimot ka na. And there is a 774 on good luck, no? Kumbaga binibigyan ka dito ng paalala, no, na magkakaroon ka ng spiritual awakening, and there's something divine intervention. Oh my God. And there's something, this message is most likely to reach you during intense uncertainty. You come out with a winning for everything that may come for you your way. It's also a sign that you have much life experiences and wisdom to share. Yet, you need enthusiasm and effort to get this message to others. So, kumbaga kayang-kaya mo din kumbaga bigyan ng kaalaman, or meron kang kaalaman talaga dito na parang magbibigay ka ng something opinion na makakatulong sa ibang tao, no? And this is something a 1616 for readjustment. Oh, kailangan mo mag-adjust. So, masyado kang open sa ibang tao and flexible. So, kailangan na marunong ka mag-loki-loki or something private. No, lalo-lalo na sa mga informasyon na hindi mo dapat sinishare. Your level of self-control is sufficient to make things right. On the horizon is the possibilities of beginning a new romantic or a platonic friendship. As well, a chance to begin life anew with a personal ones from one past, everything will fall into pieces. So, see, kailangan mo lang mag-adjust, no? Kailangan mo lang baguhin yung mga nakasanayan mo. No, there's something support and comfort, no, with other people. Pero kailangan na, kumbaga, kasi ang nangyayari kasi ginagamit yan against sa'yo dahil pagiging mababa ang loob mo, no? Pagiging mabait mo. Kaya kailangan marunong kang i-distansya yung sarili mo para hindi ka naaabuso. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. For messages of life. Messages of life represent the strength. So, kailangan mo maging matibay, maging malakas. Today, I maintain control of my emotion. I rise above self-doubt. I affirm my own power and stand strong in my unshakable faith. Today, I know that I have the strength to overcome anything I encounter. I find the courage in the truth. Holding tight to the force of love, I interpret over fear. So, kailangan mo na labanan ng takot at pangamba mo para maging matagumpay ka sa hinaharap mo. So, kailangan mo magpursige, kailangan mong alamin, tuklasin yung mga bagay na makakasira sa mga plano mo. Kailangan mo magpursige para may sa katuparan mo ang matagal mo nang minimithi at inaasam. So, guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of March 1 hanggang March 7 for the sign of Pisces. So, Pisces, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a journey din namang di lahat makaka-resonate, kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos. At because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads away, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik-liglig na gumapo na biyayang manubalik sa inyo at maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!